Hey everyone! Get this! Did you know there's secret software that makes your computer run smoothly? It's called system software, and it's like a hidden superhero. It works behind the scenes to make sure everything runs perfectly. Imagine it's like the leader of a band, making sure all the instruments play together nicely. There are two main types of this software. First, there's the operating system, like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. It's the main boss of your computer, controlling all the parts and programs. It keeps everything working, from opening apps to going online. Then, there are utility programs. These are helpful tools that keep your computer healthy. Think of things like antivirus software, disk cleanup tools, and file organizers. They help fix, protect, and speed up your computer. Remember, without system software, your computer would be like a car without an engine. It wouldn't work. So, next time your computer turns on, remember to thank the system software working hard in the background. Any questions or want to learn more? Leave a comment below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Kumusta mga kaibigan? Alam nyo ba? May mga sekretong software pala na tumutulong para maging maayos ang takbo ng computer ninyo. Ito ang tinatawag na system software, parang superhero na hindi nakikita. Gumagana ito sa likod para masiguradong maayos ang lahat. Isipin nyo na lang na parang ito yung leader ng banda, na sinisigurado na sabay-sabay at maayos ang pagtugtog ng mga instrumento. Dalawa ang pangunahing klase ng software na ito. Una, yung operating system, katulad ng Windows, Mac OS o Linux. Ito yung pinaka-boss ng computer ninyo. Kinokontrol niya lahat ng parte at mga programa. Tinitiyak nito na gumagana ang lahat, mula sa pagbukas ng mga app hanggang sa pag-internet. Pangalawa naman, yung mga utility programs. Ito yung mga kagamitan na tumutulong para manatiling maayos ang computer ninyo. Parang mga antivirus software, disk cleanup tools, at mga pang-ayos ng files. Tumutulong ang mga ito para ayusin, protektahan, at pabilisin ang computer ninyo. Tandaan, kung walang system software, parang kotse na walang makina ang computer ninyo, hindi gagana. Kaya sa susunod na bubuksan ninyo ang computer ninyo, pasalamatan ninyo ang system software na nagtatrabaho sa likod. May mga tanong ba kayo o gusto nyo pang matuto? Mag-iwan ng comment sa baba. At kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na ito, i-like ninyo. Park so face. Kita-kits sa susunod na video.